Hi, it's Dylan. Welcome back to another flight vlog. We're in Calgary at Tim Hortons, and we got a free coffee from Earl up the road. We are now at Calgary International Airport, and we're waiting for to go through security. We're just getting ready. It's great. Back in 2016, the international terminal opened in Calgary for the public to use. We wanted to check out the Aspire Lounge, but we found out it was quite expensive to get into there. It is open to the public. And here's also a view of the domestic terminal for the United States. For today's flight, we will be flying on Air Canada Flight 9 from Calgary to NRT, aka Narita, on flight number CGLCA. We are flying on a 28-year-old plane, and the total flight time should be about 11 hours and 8 minutes. There are a total of 24 signature class seats and 187 economy class seats on this Boeing 767-375. The flight wasn't too busy today, and we scored big time. Since I have allergies, the flight attendants said nobody was allowed to sit in the seat in front, but they let my mom sit there because she knows about my allergy.
For your safety and comfort, we ask.
I had standard economy and seat 24A just above the wing. After getting settled into my seat, I started to realize the first few issues I was having with it. My live map wasn't working, and my headphone plug was very finicky. As a side note, the flight attendants were very serious at the start of the flight, but then they became very friendly later on. For dinner service, you had the choice of chicken or beef, and I went with beef with rice on the side, and I think sauteed onions. There was also bread and a brownie, except I swapped with my mom's fruits. After the meal, they do a second drink service, and I got Coca-Cola and water. They had mood lighting for the different times of day, except some sections had different colors for some odd reason. Here's where one part of the plane hasn't aged very well. The entertainment system was very sluggish, but they have updated it to make it look more modern. As you can see, I was trying to load up a movie, but it was taking ages. Even though I had the extra legroom from my mom sitting in the row in front of me, I still couldn't sleep that much, and most of the flight I was twisting and turning. One really weird thing that I've never seen before is light coming through the wall panels instead of around the window. Since I couldn't sleep, I decided to watch the movie A Star is Born and do some homework. One of the most disgusting things was my pillow smelled like earwax. For the next meal, they skipped breakfast, and for lunch, it was good food. I forget what it was, but it had potato salad and bread. One funny moment I had on the plane was I saw footsteps on the wing. Coming in for the landing was quite bumpy, and also after we touched down, the brakes sounded very weird. Overall, the flight wasn't too bad, except for the aging plane, which Air Canada will be replacing very soon. I'm excited to fly that to Japan. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. You can dislike it too if you want to, but yeah. Peace.